What's going on, everybody? This is about 2 days later. So the original CB I had did not work, so I picked up another one used. And basically what I'm doing here with the positive wire, so I got my inline fuse here. I have the standard inline right there that goes exactly from the radio, or from the CB itself. What I'm doing here is the same thing I did with the negative side. Yes, I know, red wire, that's all I have for spares. But I basically have this grounded to the truck frame inside the engine bay, and I have a line going straight to the accessory port where I've hooked up my lights and everything. So this here is just simple. I'm gonna put these two quick connects together. I'm gonna use shrink tube on both connectors to keep it nice and solid, and if need be, put a little bit of electrical tape, just because the shrink tube here was marked at 1/4 inch, but it's not 1/4 inch at all. So I'll show you guys in a little bit once this is all hooked up, and how, if it works or when it works and turns on, and let you guys know. All right, see you guys in the next little clip. All right, so I got it going, all hooked up now. Negative, negative, power to power. So let's just see if it still turns on. There we go. Beauty. So let's quickly see. It's hard to do this with one hand here. So 12. I believe this goes all the way up to 40. Yep, 40. Then back down to 1, 2. This here I have channel 9 emergency, channel 19, CB, PA, all your standard. This is the Radio Shack. I don't know where. Oh, TRC 504. You know what? This sweet little pickup here. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to try to mount it either right here, or maybe mount it right. Oh, steering wheel's in the way. Or mount it right here. So you'll guys see when I'm all finished with it. And yeah. All right, everybody. So here's the final product here. This is how I got it mounted. Since the way everything worked out, I had to bend the bracket on this side while we're all hooked up, and antennas were run. I'll do a separate video on that later on. So this is just simple, quick, and easy. If you guys want to give it a try, hopefully this video helped you, and see you guys in the next one.